Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Novo Bank accept Zelle? Now, I know that Zelle is a really popular way to send and receive money, so it's understandable why people would want to know if they can use it with their Novo account. But before I answer that question, I want to talk a little bit about what Novo Bank is and how it works. Novo Bank is a challenger bank that offers a number of features that are designed to appeal to younger people. One of the things that makes Novo unique is that it doesn't charge any overdraft fees, even if you overdraw your account by just a penny. This is a huge advantage over traditional banks, which can charge you up to $35 for an overdraft. Another great thing about Novo is that it offers a number of rewards programs that can help you save money on everyday expenses. For example, you can get cash back on your groceries, gas, and dining out. Now, back to the question at hand, does Novo Bank accept Zelle? The answer is yes. Novo Bank does accept Zelle. You can add your Zelle account to your Novo app and start sending and receiving money right away. I'm really excited about this news because it means that Novo is even more convenient to use than it already was. I'm also happy to see that Novo is continuing to add new features and services to its platform. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a number of great features and benefits, I highly recommend checking out Novo Bank. I think you'll be glad you did. In this section, you can provide more detailed information about how to add your Zelle account to your Novo app, as well as how to send and receive money using Zelle. You can also discuss the benefits of using Zelle with your Novo account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Novo Bank or Zelle, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.